I want to make GT20 like a staple of Canada every single year. And
So good.
yeah.
Very unique experience.
And Bikra Khalid, how do you feel to be hosted this great players?
I am so excited to have so much of our cricket community here. It's from the fans to the players to the owners of the team and to the people that invest in cricket, to the people that really promote cricket in our country. It is so important for us to come together to really understand and appreciate how much everybody really promotes and builds community through this great sport. So I'm really, really grateful that everybody's here today.
Oh my gosh. You know, we had the Montreal Tigers in here earlier, and wonderful conversation with Shakib and the local players. It's politics, man. Is there a difference?
Sure. The whole people that's keep the politics away from the sports.
Really?
Very simple answer. Because the minute you bring politics into any sports or any organization, then those likes and dislikes element comes in. So then you don't go towards improvement. So especially in my opinion, talent is there. I was also here during 2019 and I could see getting them consistently opportunities.
Yeah.
So just to improve the infrastructure where they have turf pitches more and they have grounds. Yes, turf pitches is very important. And in schools and colleges, there has to be compulsion where kids are playing cricket,
Yeah.
like the way play other sports.
Like a hockey or.
Exactly. So they also should show interest, so they can also tell their kids to go and play cricket.
Right.
I just want
These
to
are
add
the
on
things that are very
something
important.
that would have kick-started it. Unfortunately, we had COVID.
Yes.
For Canadian cricket, I think this is absolutely essential. The IPL's done it for the young Indian boys. CPL's done it for the young West Indies. I'm guessing PSL is fast tracks and some boys through. This should be exactly the same for Canadian boys.
I love our local team.
Okay, look here. Okay, guys, look here. Check.
Thank you so very much. We have some cricket fans that are here to meet you today, Shakib.
Shakib, you like this taste?
It's fine. It's like the best food in Mississauga.
He asked me, can I have a Shakib? What's that? Shakib, can you have a look this side as well, please?
Yeah.